bagong experience naman para sa'yo?
Well, sobrang fun naman eh. It's parang laging may bago pag nakaka-try ka ng something. Yun talaga, syempre, bago nga. But then, siguro, mas okay lang kasi volleyball din. Compared sa iba naman na try na hindi related to volleyball. But this one, related naman sa volleyball. And it's so timely lang na mag-UAAP na. So, sana it's a good episode for the UAAP also and for the show. And sana makatulong ako. Nakatulong din ako. Sana nakatulong ako sa show.
Kumusta working with you?
Siguro, it's weird na I'm facing and talking to them like in person talaga kasi I only watch them talaga in TV, diba? Hindi ko naman din sila so nakakagulat din and it's so nice to see and to feel na you're welcome also sa set nila and they're really looking forward to learn more about volleyball and they really want to watch like the UAAP and volleyball games.
Yung scene mo kanina, okay naman yung dialogue?
Hindi, kayo na lang mag-judge kung okay naman yung dialogue ko kanina. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako. Parang iba-iba, parang different court eh. Kung pupunta ka naman sa volleyball court, at least may mga teammates ka, diba? Dito, parang you have to really learn your script. You have to know how to react, to adjust. Parang volleyball, kailangan mo mag-adjust like right on a snap, diba? So, in a snap. So, ayun. It's fun. It's fun working with them and super nakakatawa na nakakakilala kayo ng maraming tao.
Seems like na-enjoy mo, so may susunod pa ba?
Kung matutuwa din po sila sa episode, sana may susunod pa. But siguro for the next few months, syempre may UAAP pa and may school. So, kailangan mo na mag-focus sa priority. So, after sana mabigyan ng chance, di ba?
Kamusta preparation ng Ateneo? Kasi your last year.
Preparation for Ateneo, well, it's the same, routine ni Coach Sai, same system, but different players. Syempre, graduate na yung mga batchmates namin ni Kiwi, and then may mga pumasok na rookie. So, iba din yung siguro tinitrain sa amin ni Coach Sai. Well, every year naman sabi nga nila, iba-iba naman yung battle, iba-iba din yung challenge na binibigay per team. Iba din yung level of competition. So, ayun, sana lang ma-apply namin lahat ng tinuro talaga ni Coach Sai sa amin this past few months talaga. Year pa nga ata, kasi diba, it's almost a year bago mag-start ulit yung UAAP. So, ayun, for our last year ni Kiwi, syempre it's gonna be emotional naman for us na we're leaving the Ateneo. But as of now, we're really enjoying every moment with the team, with our coaches, and with the community. So we're hoping for the best this coming season.